Today, we're cooking kimchi fried rice. For 2 servings, we will need the following ingredients: half a can of Spam, 2 reasonable handfuls of kimchi, well fermented, 2 portions of Calrose rice, sesame oil, unsalted butter, salt, and eggs. For Asian food, we do a lot of things by taste or eye, so you can modify this recipe to the portions that you would like. Chop up the Spam into cubes. Chop up the kimchi. On a small burner, melt some unsalted butter on a small fry pan on low heat. Crack open some eggs, sprinkle it with some salt, and cover it up with a lid. On your main burner for your wok, set it to high. Liberally pour some sesame oil into the wok after it heats up. Throw the chopped kimchi into the wok. After cooking the kimchi for around 3 minutes, turn the heat to medium and let the temperature of the wok readjust. Throw in the Spam and stir fry the Spam and kimchi. Spam is a bit sensitive to the heat, so keep it on a medium heat to keep it from sticking to the side of the wok. After cooking the kimchi and Spam for 2 minutes, throw in your rice while your burner is on low heat. Then pour some sesame oil liberally on top of it. Break down the clumps of rice and mix up the rice. Cook it for another 2-3 minutes while mixing up the rice. The eggs should be a bit runny for your kimchi fried rice. The key is low heat for a long duration to get soft eggs. Once you see the whites around the yolk becoming opaque, then it's ready to plate. Now your eggs are perfectly cooked. Plate the fried rice and eggs. And that's how you get a perfect kimchi fried rice. If you liked this video, please like below and subscribe to our channel.